I picked up abs. We're going to Sweet Hut.
Oh my god, last night
What happened?
I took a nap at like 7 and I set an alarm. I actually wake up until like 11.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That is bread.
Make sure you're gonna seat by a plug.
Nice.
You know, like that?
Yeah.
It's so this kid next to me.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh no. What? Hello? I got back home and then I'm back out to pick up Bailey at the library, so let's go. I wanted to read some books, so I went here pretty early. Exercise outfit. I was gonna go to the gym with Abigail, but she has a lot of work to do, so I'm still gonna go try to get my exercise in for today.
Before we split up, always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon.
I always like to drink drinks like this in the morning. I don't know, it's like a time I can relax and drink something that will give me energy throughout the day. I just tried a matcha. And also, like the other one I had, but that one was so bitter. This one is literally, I just have like matcha and almond milk in here, and it's like not bitter at all. Like it's not just with meals, it's like with my tea too. I don't really go on my phone anymore or watch any shows. It's more like I'm trying to just, I don't know, just do one thing at a time instead of like multitasking. Man, it's like a really nice comforting drink. I like to drink tea in the mornings, but today I want to try this new matcha. Ta-da! I'm so excited because it's Tenty, which is supposed to be like really high grade. Hello, welcome to Cafe Alice. Whoa, look at that green. Oh, it smells good. Oh my gosh. Another thing about matcha is that it has to have like a really nice bright green color. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a really bright green. I recently got to try matcha from matcha.com or Matcha Kari. It's this website where they offer like high quality matcha and other teas too. Right now is a good time to try their matcha because they're having a really big sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Head over to matcha.com. Use my code Alex to get a huge discount. And also if you're a Matcha Prime member, you get like a really big discount, so you should try doing that too. Thank you to matcha.com for sponsoring a portion of this video. Just getting ready. I woke up and then I was just answering business messages and emails and stuff. It's like those natural concealers that you can spread super easily. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. I think it's a color changing chapstick and I had no idea. Anyway, I like putting this on first. Pretty easy glare stick and number 2. And then my lash is a bit better. That's if that were to be a mascara, it would be this one. I don't even know if the camera's getting it. Excuse my mess. I have a mess. It's been a little bit now, but I'm gonna go with my mom to this cafe because her friend recommended this really good matcha latte, and if you know me, I love matcha, so I'm gonna go there. I really want to try it. I'm really excited. Oh my goodness. This is the outfit. I have to be in this corner because my room is so messy. Leg warmers are really saving me. Here's the inside. Okay, well, see that? I don't know if I'm even gonna put this in the video, but I think it's so cute. I just couldn't help myself. Look at this face towel. I'm 100% going to use this. I'm so excited. And then they sent me travel size. This is perfect because I'm going to be traveling soon. I like their oh my gosh, look how cute. My skin gets sensitive. Usually it's like after I wear a mask, even if it's for like 30 minutes, my skin gets it doesn't react well with the mask for some reason. And this has been this year only, which I thought was so weird. I've just been using that tiny little mirror right there. I've been balancing it on like the makeup, and I thought I should actually just get back the mirror that I used to have here before, because I used to have this mirror right here. I stopped using it for a few years, but I'm gonna put it back. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Wow, it just looks really messy now. like cluttery, I mean. Maybe I'll think about it. All I can think of. Hey, I'm here at Whole Foods because my mom got this croissant here from the other day and it was so delicious. I was honestly really surprised. There's also like a little dining area, so like, I'm gonna work there. Back. I got a pastry. I tried their apple Danish. I'm just gonna go to a new Marshalls that opened. I just want to look around. It's like so nice to work there because there's a lot of people. It makes me happy for some reason. I don't know. It's so weird. It's dumplings, boy.
That's dumplings? Looks like the donut, like the donut thing.
Just try it. It's really good.
And have some. Huh.
What am I doing?
See where I started to remember that I was supposed to make art. This is fake. Also, if you like to get some makeup products or anything on Yes Style, I have a code for 20% off. There's like no minimum or anything like that. It's just Alex22BF. It's only valid for 48 hours. So honestly, I think the best time to get anything is right now because everything is on sale. Like I'm planning to get some shoes. So I'll also put it in the description box. Hey, I hope you liked that video. I don't think I have any updates, but I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.
Check it once, not check it twice. Captain and